Keep your air conditioning system running efficiently with a professional AC tune-up in Swarthmore, Pennsylvania from PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning, helping improve performance, lower energy costs, and reduce unexpected breakdowns. Our experienced technicians inspect, clean, and adjust essential AC components to help your system operate reliably throughout the cooling season. Regular maintenance can extend equipment life, improve indoor comfort, and identify small issues before they become expensive repairs. Contact us today for a free consultation. Are you looking for a AC tune-up service near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning. What is an AC tune-up? An AC tune-up is preventive maintenance that inspects, cleans, and tests your air conditioning system, improving efficiency, reliability, cooling performance, reducing breakdown risks and extending equipment lifespan for dependable operation. Why is an AC tune-up important? An AC tune-up is important because regular maintenance improves efficiency, extends system life, reduces energy costs, prevents unexpected breakdowns, and keeps cooling performance reliable during hot weather every year consistently. What is the service area for your Swarthmore, Pennsylvania location? Our AC tune-up service has helped clients in the surrounding areas of Swarthmore, Media, Glen Riddle, Brookhaven, Upland, Parkside, Village Green, Lima, Chester, Eddystone, Ridley Park, Folsom, Rutledge, Glenolden, Fulcroft, Leicester, Morton, Wallingford, Moylan, and Elwyn, Pennsylvania. Where is your Swarthmore, Pennsylvania AC tune-up service office located? We are located at 630 Fairview Road, number 110, Swarthmore, Pennsylvania 19081. Our phone number is 610-424-6275. Visit our website, pjmachvac.com/air-duct-cleaning-service-Swarthmore.